So good afternoon. Today we are going to see the smelting process. So what is actually the smelting? We are taking the copper ore, or we can say the iron ore. The copper ore and the iron ore, they are being formed in the metal form by the smelting process. Now the smelting process, it is a process in which the roasted or the calcined ore, means the ore which is obtained after the calcination or by the roasting method, that is when the ore is heated in the presence or in the absence of the oxygen. After that, whatever the ore is obtained, it is treated with the reducing agent. So we have a many reducing agent. Now that reducing agent are being used according to the electrochemical series, or we can say depending upon the reactivity of the metal. Now, in smelting, generally we are using the anthracite coal, that is the pure form of the carbon, and we are using the flux, generally lime, which is heated to a temperature. Means we are taking the ore, we are using the reducing agent, that is the coal, that is an anthracite coal, and the flux, that is nothing but the lime, and they are being heated to a certain temperature. Now, the certain temperature means it is before the melting point of the metal, means we are not going to heat it to more extent. That is nothing but giving a temperature to that ore. Now the reducing agent converts the ore into the molten metal. So when we it is heated, whatever the ore is present, from that ore we get the metal. Now let's look how we get it. After that, the flux removes whatever the flux which we say, like the lime which we are using as a flux, it removes the gangue, means the impurity present in the ore, it is being removed with the help of the flux. Now we take here an example of the iron ore by which we can clear it. So here we can see the iron ore, that is Fe2O3. Now the reducing agent, as I have told you, we have many reducing agents like hydrogen, sodium, magnesium, carbon, aluminium. So depending upon the electrochemical series or upon the metal reactivity, here we are using carbon as a reducing agent. So when we use the carbon as a reducing agent, as well as lime which is used as a flux, means which helps to remove the impurity present in the ore. So when this carbon as a reducing agent, that is an anthracite, and when the flux is used, what exactly happens? So when we use these things, we get the pure metal, whereas carbon monoxide is removed, whereas the flux which helps to remove the impurities like the gangue, that is an SiO2 present in the ore, which is removed as calcium silicate, that is it is being float. When this slag is formed, it floats on the metal, which can be easily removed. So smelting is nothing but it is the process in which we can get the copper or we can get the iron very easily as a pure form of the metal. This was all about the smelting. Thank you.